video all about how to become a love magnet. Becoming a love magnet is about the embodiment of love. It's the embodiment of the feminine magnetism, and feminine energy has many, many components to it. But the magnetism is so juicy and it's so real and it's so potent. When I turn my love magnetism on is when I attracted my legendary love, and it took me 9 years. And I hope that in this video that you watch it so that it doesn't take you as long. You can get the lesson without getting all the pain that I went through. And so everybody that watches this video, whether you're in a relationship, I hope that it deepens into the magnetism, the juiciness, and the polarity. And if you are on your single season and you want to attract love, then this video, you're going to watch it. You're going to attract the love. Just follow what I say. The first thing is to know that your natural nature is love. Your natural nature is love. And what happens is that we go through, like my family member, so many things that close our heart, so much residue from the past, that love can feel very unfamiliar, that love can feel like it's not our natural nature, that love can feel like it's not safe because you've been hurt and you're walking around with a shell, a cage, little pistons and machetes all over your heart. And so when it comes to you, when love comes to you, you repel it. You don't even realize it because your body is reading it as it's not safe. The first thing that we have to acknowledge is that our natural nature is love. We are the embodiment of love. We are created in an act of love. When we give birth, ideally we are birthed through love. So when a woman is in labor, if she experiences love, if she experiences the act of love and the release of the oxytocin, if her body releases oxytocin and her partner's caressing her, she's supported, she's getting massaged, the lights are low, whatever, she's feeling this safety, she's feeling this love, she's feeling the same type of feeling she felt when she was conceiving, similar feelings. If she's feeling that in labor, the oxytocin is going to be released in her body, and then she will not feel pain, because you cannot feel pain and pleasure at the same time. When oxytocin is released, she feels no pain in childbirth. That's why some women have orgasmic births. I know one. She in fact changed her Instagram handle. Her whole Instagram is about orgasmic birth. And trust me, if I had one of those, I would do the same thing, because it's amazing what our bodies can do, but it's also telling of how important love is to the body, that we're created in love and we're meant to be birthed in love. That shows you that physiologically and spiritually, we are the embodiment of love, and we're meant to walk in that truth. But what happens? We experience hurt, we experience pain, we suffer. Our heart holds so much. The reality is our heart is pure, our heart is truth, our heart knows the truth, that we are the living embodiment of love. And so the work, my dear, is to remove all of the cages and remove all of the reasons why you are blocking love in your life. And sometimes it's hard to look at, and sometimes it's hard to see that. It's hard to know that I was hurt when I was 15 years old, or whatever your truth is. It's hard to peel back and see, well, what's really keeping this love from me? Because if you don't have the love that you want in your life right now, the only reason is because you are blocking it. It's not because there's no good men out there. It's not because of anything external. It's you. Once you know it's you, then you can just remove the blocks. Not saying that it's easy, but that's the medicine. That's the formula. It's knowing that when you start to show up and give yourself the love and respect that you deserve, When you embody the loving energy for you, you attract that to you because you become the living embodiment of love. You're showing yourself that love. You're living that truth of, I am a loving being. I am the living embodiment of love. And I attract love that is genuine. I attract love that with integrity. I attract love that is deep, that is pure, that is real, and that is legendary. Walk with that truth. Because a lot of us are walking around and they're afraid, like my family member, the example I gave in the beginning, we're afraid to let go. We're afraid to trust. We're afraid to go out there and allow ourselves to be held in love. And so I think it's really important that we walk with that truth. I think it's really important that we begin to feel like love is familiar. We begin to feel safe in love. And that's the inner work that it takes. It's knowing that I am the living embodiment of love. If I don't see it in my reality, it's because I'm blocking it. Where are those blocks? What am I holding in my heart? Where is that? And how can I release it? And once you release it, my dear, that is when the love comes into your life very easily. Without effort, it flows. So I want you to walk with that power of feeling like you are the magnet of love. You are a love magnet in your body, in your mind, and in your spirit. Walk with that truth, my love, and let me know how it goes. Peace.